unveiling the timeless charm of Zippo lighters and their legacy. Zippo lighters were invented in 1932 by George G. Blaisdell, aiming for practicality and style. The iconic windproof design allows them to function in extreme weather conditions, making them reliable. Craftsmanship is key. Each lighter is meticulously created with over 100 parts and rigorous quality checks. Zippo offers a variety of styles, finishes, and custom designs, appealing to collectors and enthusiasts alike. Culturally significant, Zippo lighters have appeared in films, music, and art, symbolizing rebellion and individuality. Join our community to learn more about iconic brands like Zippo.